Wish you wonderful morning, kids. I hope you all are fine. Myself, Noshaba Fatima Ansari from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Kids, take out your coloring book and open page number 5. We will color in these two parachutes. Okay, let's start. Kids, first of all, take out black crayon, sharpen it and hold it properly. We will trace these curves. Okay. Now put your crayon over here and trace with me and do it very carefully and neatly like this. See how ma'am is doing? Like this. Okay. You have to trace like this. One more time. Draw curve. You have to trace curves like this, okay? Slowly and neatly. Like this. Okay. We will trace these zigzag lines. So put your crayon on this dot and trace these zigzag lines. Start from here like this. Now again, what we call it? We call it slanting lines, okay? Again. And do it very neatly like this. Now you have to trace this line also. Okay? Like this. See kids, I have done my tracing on this parachute. Okay. Now you have to do the same on this parachute also. Okay. Okay. Now let's start coloring, kids. Take out red crayon, sharpen it, hold it properly like this and start coloring in this part. And do it neatly. See how ma'am is doing? Like this. See kids, I have done my red color. Okay. Now after red color, take out yellow crayon and start coloring in this part. Kids, after yellow color, take out dark blue crayon, sharpen it and hold it like this and start coloring. Don't go out of this black line, okay? Now after dark blue color, take out green crayon, light green crayon, hold it properly kids and start coloring in this part. See kids, I have done my green color. Okay. After green color, take out orange crayon, sharpen it, okay, and start coloring in this part. Don't leave white space and do it in one direction only. See how ma'am is doing? Now after this we will color in this basket, okay. So for this we use pink color. sharp it, hold it properly and start coloring. Now after pink color, take brown crayon, hold it properly. We will color brown in this cat, okay, like this, and do it very neatly. See, I have done my coloring. Now you have to do the same on this parachute. You have to color very beautifully here also. You can use same colors or you can use different colors, it's up to you, okay. Kids, in this way you have to color and trace both the parachutes, okay, like this. Kids, in this way you have to trace and color in these two parachutes, okay, and do it very neatly and very beautifully like this. Kids, in this way you have to trace these patterns and color in these two parachutes, okay. Don't forget to mention date and classwork at the top. Have a nice day. Thank you.